Alright guys, this is one of my favorite categories to dropship in. I've been doing this for years, and the reason that I love it, as you can see, the products are selling 2022. Okay? Pets. I've been doing this for years. People love their pets. They treat them like their kids. This will never go out of style, guys. And I want you to see right here. They're saying that it's estimated 75.38 billion. Now, it could be more, it could be less, but I pretty much think that it's probably more. And let me see, not only are people passionate about their pets, but they're also keen on buying these products. Besides, marketing these products can also be quite fun, as pet supply brands post images of cute pets on their social media accounts, and they appeal to pet lovers. Some good dropshipping pet products to sell include, and you can see right here, there's some different things, puppy seatbelts, dog jackets, but this is something that's great for you to start an Instagram account, because people love seeing visuals of the dogs and the products, and also a YouTube channel. I would start a YouTube channel, and I have several channels that I'm doing this in, but I would suggest, if you wanted to get started in this, you can go into the description, and now we have training that's going to show you how to get any type of supplier and pretty much anything that you want to sell, not just dog supplies. You've already seen, we've done videos on furniture, we've done videos on home decor, pool tables, massage chairs. This training will pretty much show you how to sell anything that you want, anything that comes to your mind. You can sell. If you want to sell a pizza oven, doesn't matter. If you want to sell lighting, or bedding, or shoes, whatever, we have you covered. Okay, guys. Now, this is just a tip for the day. Pets booming. There's more and more people entering the pet space, so that means more and more suppliers. So, guys, like this video, subscribe to the channel, click the link in the description, and let's get started.